Good afternoon. United Enterprises is a leading Indian engineering company engaged in the manufacturing of industrial furnaces. So we have with us Chetan Gupta from United Enterprises. So he will enlighten us about the company and its product. Hi Chetan, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Chetan, tell us about your company and its products specific to the jewelry industry.
Okay, so I am basically associated with United Enterprises as a design engineer and operations manager. So our company is engaged in manufacturing of different types of industrial furnaces, jewelry furnaces, and gas generators. So we are in the furnace and gas generator field from the last 25 years, and in the jewelry industry we are here from last 7 years. So there are mainly three types of furnaces which are hot products, as you can say, in jewelry industry. The first one here, which is the annealing furnace. So annealing furnace is used for softening of gold material. The specialty of this furnace is it uses a hydrogen generator inside. We also call it as an ammonia cracker. It basically cracks ammonia into nitrogen and hydrogen. So 75% hydrogen and 25% nitrogen. So this atmosphere which we provide inside the furnace, it basically helps to retain the shine and luster of the gold which we heat inside it. Basic process is like, if we just feed the material from here inside, we keep it inside for a set time of like 20 to 30 minutes as per the size of the product, and then we quench it from behind. So you can see there we have provided a water tank. We basically seal quench the product inside this water tank. Due to this sudden cooling effect, the gold is annealed and we get a softer product after this. This furnace, this is a chain soldering furnace. It is used for powder soldering of all types of machine chains. It basically comes as with a heating chamber and a cooling chamber. For different production requirements, there are different sizes of this furnace available. This is the second product. This also uses the ammonia cracker and hydrogen atmosphere inside. The third furnace, which is we have not bring it because of the space constraint, that is the vacuum hardening furnace. It is used for hardening of gold. Basically, when the product is finished, we place it inside the furnace in trays and we heat it to a certain temperature. We soak it for 2 to 3 hours and then we sudden cool it by air quenching and nitrogen purging. So these are the main three products which are hot products in jewelry industry.
Chetan, what are the future plans of the company and where do you see 5 years down the line your company?
Okay, so we have basically expanded our manufacturing unit this year, and the production capacity, which was 1 to 2 furnaces a month, now we have increased it to 6 to 7 furnaces a month. And we also plan to bring in more counterparts of Italian furnaces. These are basically Indian versions of Italian furnaces. Okay, so we also plan to bring more furnaces and more products which were only manufactured by Italian, thereby saving Indian currency and keeping the currency in our country itself. So in that way we plan to bring more products of chain soldering, powders and tumblers and more things.
So that's a major
main future plan.
Okay, that's very nice. And now last thing, how important are exhibitions for the industry?
I can say for jewelry industry, exhibitions are very important because they bring the buyer and seller on a single platform, wherein the buyer can take a live demo of the furnace. He can understand before investing in it, and also if we want a trial for how the product is functioning, we can give him that, and that is the main advantage of an exhibition.
Thank you so much, Chetan. Thank you. All the best for your future endeavors. That was Chetan Gupta telling us in detail about all the products they are having. Thank you. Thank you, Chetan. Nice.